3 advantages ng pag-i-invest sa cryptocurrency. And you won't believe kung ano ang number 1. Number 3, privacy. Walang ibang may access sa assets mo kundi ikaw lang. In banks, you deposit money pero yung pera mo ay gagamitin ng banks to earn more profits for the banks. In cryptocurrency, walang ibang may access ng pera mo kundi ikaw lang. Number 2, convenience. You can bring lots of cash stored online. Number 1, deflationary. Ibig sabihin, as the years go by, tataas at tataas ang value ng pera mo kung naka-invest ka lang sa tamang cryptocurrency. Kapatid, invest wisely. See you on my next video.